Hey guys, so
My mom said no.
I'm doing a YouTube video.
Mom said no.
Hey guys, so you know this, whenever I have these games on, I just got, oh my god, these stupid ads. So, yeah. So, you have to guess which game I'm playing, and it is... No, I don't want it. No. I don't want, no. Stupid glitching. So, it is Sister Location. So once I heard about this game, I had to get it. And this is a really good game. And my friend Karen is here.
Cousin.
Cousin. Come on, play.
So if I'm eating them bad at me, I'm gonna scream. What do you want? Get out!
Hey, Lizzie.
What?
I'm getting one of these, okay?
Roar's taking
He's getting a cigarette.
No.
It's not a cigarette.
Boy.
Why are you guys always eating my stuff?
Boy.
So I'm playing
Get
Sister
out.
Location.
That's
Guys, I'm doing a YouTube video!
pretend, that kind of,
Get out, make a
that's
YouTube
gonna get you
video.
in trouble, boy.
Ow. So I'm doing Sister Location. I'm on night 2. I just want to... So let's just renew the game. Let's do new game. No. New game. Alright, let's do this. And if you guys don't know, Sister Location...
Welcome to the first day of your exciting new career. I
Okay.
will be your personal guide to help you get started. I'm a Model 5 of the Handyman's Robotics and Unit Repair System, but you can call me
Okay.
Handy Unit. Please enter your name as seen above the keypad. This cannot be
Okay.
changed later, so please be careful.
Play. D.
It seems that you had some trouble with the keypad.
I
I
tried
see what
to
you were
do
trying to
Elizabeth.
type, and I will auto-correct it for you. One moment. Welcome, Ex-Benedict.
Oh, come on. That is not my name. Some button.
Don't press buttons, it's dumb. Not a good idea.
Pressing buttons. Keypad. What the hell? What the hell? That's scary. Is it gonna start, or did it already start? What happened? Anything wrong? The heck? Oh, there we go. We're starting now. That's really joyous music. I'm gonna die.
You can now open the elevator using that bright, red, and obvious button. Let's get to work.
Okay.
Allow me to fill this somewhat frightening silence with some lighthearted banter.
What
Due
the
to the massive
hell?
success and even more so the unfortunate closing
Michael,
of
go
Freddy
away.
Fazbear's Pizza, it was clear that the stage
God.
was set, no pun intended, for another contender in children's entertainment. Unlike most entertainment venues, our robotic
Michael, get
entertainers
out.
were
Get
rented
out.
out for private parties during
Ow.
the day. And it's your job to get the robots back in proper working order before the following morning.
So what the heck am I doing? I'm just crawling through a stupid vent. And it's quiet. Very.
You are now in the primary control module.
Oh,
View
am
the
I?
window to your left. This is the Ballora Gallery Party Room and Dance Studio. Let's turn on the light and see if Ballora is on stage. Press the blue button on the elevated keypad to your
What
left.
blue button? Oh, that blue button. Oh my god, there's nothing there though. Is it glitching or something?
these eyes?
I know.
Creepy.
Uh-oh. It looks like Ballora doesn't feel like dancing. Let's
Of
give her some
course.
motivation. Press the
Yeah.
red button now to administer a controlled shock. Maybe that will put the spring back in her step.
Oh my god! You jumped, Karen.
Let's
Nope.
check the light again.
Oh my god, what the hey? What the hell?
Excellent. Ballora is feeling like her old self again and will be ready to
And
perform again
what is
tomorrow.
this?
Now
What is
view
this?
the window to your right. This is the
Okay.
Funtime Auditorium, where Funtime Foxy encourages kids to play and share.
Here we go.
Try the light. Let's see what Funtime Foxy is up to.
Okay.
Scared.
Oh my god,
Nothing.
nothing is there. Why isn't it turning off? What the heck is that? It's a clock with a face
Looks
on
like
it.
Funtime Foxy is taking the day off.
No,
Let's
she's
motivate
gonna be on
Funtime
stage.
Foxy
I'm
with
gonna
controlled
nail her to
shock.
there if I have to. Oh my mother. What the heck is not there?
Press the button.
The buttons aren't working. Stupid mother. Nothing is working. Work.
Work.
Let's try
No.
another controlled shock.
Okay. Oh my god.
Yeah, give little kid a heart attack. What the hell did you do?
That thing is huge. It's like half my. It's like
Looks like Funtime
Twice my
Foxy
size.
is in perfect working order. Great job.
what the
In
heck?
front of you is another vent shaft. Crawl through it to reach the circus gallery control module.
Okay. That is scary.
You should probably just close your eyes when you said that you're in there.
What kind of a game is this?
Very creepy one.
I love Five Nights at Freddy's, but what kind of... Thank you,
Almost the
Scott.
end. Almost
Thank
at the
you. Thank you, Scott.
And this is when you close your eyes when you get to the very end. And close.
On the other side of the glass is Circus Baby's auditorium. Let's check the light and see what Baby is up to.
Okay.
I don't really know what she up
There's
to.
nothing. Nothing.
That's why I'm scared now. She's gonna bounce out of nowhere.
Looks like a few of the lights are out, but we can fix that later. Let's encourage Baby to cheer up with a controlled shock.
Oh my god. When are they ever gonna stop? Not there. Jammed.
Let's try another controlled shock.
This is
It's like freaking fun time. Foxy.
we're going to midnight.
Not there. When am I ever gonna see her there?
Let's try another controlled shock.
I pressed it.
I glitched my life open.
This is scary.
Not there. My god.
Great job, Circus Baby. We knew we could count on you.
She's not
Conclude
there.
your duties for your first night on the job. We don't want you to leave overwhelmed. Otherwise, you might not come back. Please
Nope,
leave using
I
the
wouldn't.
vent behind you, and we'll see you again tomorrow.
What the heck is that sound?
I'm going to pop out. I know this.
Nothing. No, I do not. God. What the heck? What the
I
hell?
keep covering my face.
Shift complete.
Woo! How bad we did it?
Nothing. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this right here. If you guys want me to do the next night, tell me in the comments below, and I will. Thank you. Bye.